Hey Neens, hope you're going really well. What we're trying to do at the moment is try and get this system working because you're a real big part of this. I wanted to go through it so that we're all in the same boat. And I've got a little project for you. Um, what clients will do is they'll send us a job, and they can do that down the bottom here, or if they go through here. We're just finalizing that process, so it's really automated. So that's all done. You'll get it into the teamwork desk, and you're able to send an estimate from that list you're making, or you're able to get that. You can get it basically done via the going back to William or Randy to get a more confirmed one if it's a complex one. So we're improving our briefing process, etc. to do that. Client comes back and says yes. Now what we need to do is we need to take payment before we do the job. Does that make sense? So once they've agreed, we want to take payment beforehand. Now the way to do that is via credit card. Okay, so we need to make sure we can do this by credit card. So what we can do is in the system, so we're running a virtual staff version of ChargeBee at the moment. And this is a piece of software that allows us to create forms like this. Marketing for insurance advisors. What we want to do is we're able to create a duplicate version, a test version, that has our current branding for Design Dingoes, colors, etc. That gets built following setup steps. Now I've got an email on how to do this and what needs to be completed before we go on, and it can be copied from our current system, most of it, except the branding that needs to match Design Dingoes. But what I'm looking at doing is, in essence, when they first sign up to we're going to potentially sell them a voucher for 25% off. We're going to sell it for $1. So basically at that point what's happening is we're getting their credit card on file. At that point, when you go to charge them, we will charge their credit card once they've accepted the estimate. So what happens is you don't have to go back and ask them to pay. You just follow a system, charge it. The guys then do their work, and we carry on the same way. So the project I'm looking at doing now is we need to set up a version of ChargeBee that's branded to match Design Dingoes. So it has to have a page charging $1, including GST, purely not to make $1, but to get people started. Does that make sense? And get them onto our system so we can keep charging them. That is the project we have. So what I want to do is on our call, we're going to go through and talk a bit more about what needs to be done. I wanted to make this video so you're aware of what we're trying to achieve.